In this video, we're going to be replacing the blower motor on this 2005 Honda Element. Under our dash, on the passenger side, underneath the glove box, we have a plastic cover. You're going to have 3 or 4 push clips holding it into the front underneath the glove box. So we're going to use a panel tool and we're going to pop those clips out. So we have 1, 2, 3 retainer clips. Once we pop that front down, we can pull the plastic cover out. So on our blower motor, we have 3 Phillips head screws and 1 electrical connection. We're going to disconnect our electrical connection first. I'm going to push the tab and pull the plug out. Once you've gained access to your blower motor, you're going to see that there are going to be 3 T25 screws holding your blower motor in place. We're going to have to take those out now. With those 3 screws out, your blower motor should lower down. Take our new blower motor, I'm going to raise it up into position. What we're going to do to help us is align the plug in the same area or orientation our old one was. And put our blower motor back in and put our 3 screws back in. If you can, I recommend starting them by hand. All right, once you have your 3 T25s back in, we can go ahead and tighten them down. Once you have your 3 screws tightened down, we can plug in our electrical connection. And now we can put our cover back on. We're going to put in the back side first. There's a little pin in the back. We're going to set that on the little ridge back there and push our clips into place on the front. Just line them all up first. And push them into place. Once you've done that, go ahead and test the operation. If it turns on, turns off, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.